वीडियो सज्जनों, आप सबसे अनुरोध है कि अब अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें।
Every paramotor pilot carries the hallmark of a soldier, the courage. It's a mini aircraft and is full of thrill and excitement. It is a single pilot machine. Altitude of 8,000 feet above ground level and can make you cruise at a speed of 40 to 60 kilometers.
Army aviation serves as a vital force multiplier, providing the third dimension to ground operations. Guns which are being deployed in front of you have proved their mettle in all battles fought by our country. What you see here is not just a display, but a... Please take your attention towards the left and right of the grandstand, where the orienting instruments, director, area wall.
30 millimeter and Soita will now fire on Hathimata.
This remarkable integration offers Dhanush over traditional artillery systems and enables additional safety. The detachment commander of M777 ULH is Havaldar Sukhendu Kumar of 1907 Medium Regiment. 1000 horsepower. The gun will now fire on Cornhill Top. The gun has 14 millimeter thick armor protection which can protect
With the symphony of rockets, which is a roar that echoes across the battlefield. Due to their enhanced ranges, greater lethality and ability to fire various types of...
Now fire on area wall.
a project with Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, to increase the range of existing 155mm extended range full bore.
In phase 2, 150 Infantry Brigade has been tasked to capture Cornhill Complex by 0500 hours K+11.
Please take your attention, quarter right. The guns and rockets will now fire on Harbara.
You just witnessed the exercise Topchi, the annual firepower exercise, which has been conducted in the Devlali field firing ranges. This is an annual firepower exercise which is reflective of our technical and the professional prowess of our gunners. You also saw the drones and you also saw the surveillance systems that we have in our inventory. They were all utilized. Topchi is also a testament of our professionalism and our commitment to the security of the nation, as also training the future generation of gunner officers and soldiers who come for training at the School of Artillery. And I am sure that each one of you has seen the prowess and the devastating effect that can be caused utilizing the artillery that we have in our arsenal. I also wish to tell you that our future acquisitions, which are likely to happen in a short time frame, are all indigenous platforms moving towards our aim of Atmanirbharta.